Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Creative Kosh. Today's video is about how I prepared Mickey theme letters and other decoration elements that I used in my previous video about Mickey themed birthday party. You can check out the link of my previous video in the description below. For that we need black chart paper. I used glitter glue but Elmer's glue will work fine. Red glitter powder. Now decide letter shape that goes with Mickey theme and cut it out. There are so many designs for Mickey letters. You can choose any one of them. I like this one. Then mark the space you want to cover with glitter. Spread glue over it using brush. Now pour sufficient glitter powder over it. Looks like it too much glue on letter E, so need to shift a bit on another letter, otherwise it will take more time to dry up. Tilt the glittered letter on another letter with glue over it and tap so that extra glitter can come off. Now let the letters dry at least for 3-4 hours. Next I cut small yellow chart paper buttons and paste it using glue gun. For the final look, I cut out white normal A4 size white paper and fix it on the head of some letters. You can see the result. For this element, I cut out Mickey head and pant separately and pasted them together and later added black paper buttons cut out. For entrance, I cut this from red, black and yellow chart papers and pasted on little bigger, same shaped white chart paper cutouts. Write the message using white acrylic paint and fine brush. On both sides, I did Mickey balloon stand that went great with decoration. Rest of the decoration is done using Mickey head cutouts from different colored chart papers, paper fans and balloons. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell for my upcoming videos. you.